Next, we will test the sample quality in an environment of high temperature, high humidity, and high volatility. The props include a basin of water, an induction cooker, and an alarm clock. We cut the sample we tested earlier into 2 pieces. Then we'll boil them and make a contrast. This product is cemented, so no need to boil it in water. We put the rest into the pot and boil them. Check their status every 2 hours. Now it's up to 2 hours. Turn off the cooker. Let's see what has changed. Okay. Now let's observe the changes in each product. First, let us look at this product. Its surface feels very sandy. If this is used outdoors, its weather resistance can be imagined. This black one. Zoom in a little bit. Its surface has been severely peeled. This is most likely the spraying method on the market, not suitable for outdoor use. Then we come to this one. This one. The surface is similar to the first one. It has peeling. The phenomenon of sun return is quite serious. Then let us look at this one. Without touching it, it has already cracked. After boiling for a long time, it's naturally cracked. Then look at this one. About this one, its overall performance is better than the previous 4 models. Of course, further testing is needed. First of all, when we touch the surface, there is no sun return. Secondly, our printing model, its surface strength, scratch resistance, coloration, and clarity are still intact. Compared with all other models, products of Nadon is weather resistance very good in such a harsh environment. The experiment continues. Now let's put these 3 products into the pot and continue to boil. Turn on the induction cooker. After 1 hour, we will check quality changes again. Products have been taken out. Let's see how they perform. First, this one. Overall, the color of the 3D printing has begun to fade, and there is sun return on its surface. Look, just touch it lightly, then the surface adhesion has been lost. Then let's look at Nadon model. There is no sun return on the surface. As for 3D printing model, its color is still so bright, and its adhesion is also fine. After 3 hours of testing, this product has been eliminated. Sun return has occurred, so its outdoor weather resistance is definitely bad. Finally, we continue to boil these 2 products of Nadon with induction cooker after reaching 6 hours. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now it's already 6 hours. Let's check out and check the products. First, turn off the induction cooker. Well, let's take a look at the surface of this product. First of all, its surface is still relatively intact. No chalking, no sun return. On 3D printing model, its coloration and adhesion are still nice. Well, through the above methods of testing, our Nadon products is time tested, quality guaranteed, and trustworthy.